Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. I'm Alvise and today we'll start exploring one of the many capabilities of Novameira. For those who don't know it, Novameira is a WordPress plugin that gives your AI agent full access to WordPress. We'll create a movie catalog just by writing in Claude Code with plain language, so no coding needed. I'm working on a staging environment which is the recommended setup for Novameira. So let's get started. So I'll start as always by showing you the final result with my movie catalog. As you can see, there are all the movies, and then there's the filtering option by year, rating, genre, and then there's the obviously the home page. Here it is, and then the top rated list with all the movies. And so let's see how to do it. And here we are in the Claude Code terminal. If you haven't already done it, you can find the video on how to install and set up Novameira in the description. So, as I said before, I'm gonna make a movie catalog. And to do so, we start by entering the plan mode. So Claude will think through the approach first, analyze what's needed, and generate a detailed implementation plan before making any kind of change. So over here, I write plan. Okay. And then I describe to Claude exactly what I want. So over here I write using Novameira, let me see, create website list. So as you can see, Claude, after analyzing the code-based structure and discovering the capabilities of the MCP, it updated the plan, and now it's asking us how the complexity of the website should be. So if we want a full feature website with interactive features or just a simple static list of movies. Obviously I'm gonna choose full feature recommended, and here it shows three options of website name: Cinetop, Film Vault, and Top Flicks, and here is just whatever you want. And after submitting the answers, Claude starts updating the plan again. And finally, Claude started working on the website, and now Cinetop movie website is live. And here we can see all the things that he did, like the files deployed to the Novameira sandbox, or the features, like here we should see 30 top-rated films, and the page is created, and here there's the website link. If we copy this, we have our website with the main page, the home page, sorry, where we can scroll the movies, as you can see here, or we can go to the main page, the movies, where we have the list, and we can filter it by year, or we can click on the movie poster to have a synopsis of the movie and with some details. Or if we scroll down, we can see that we can load a bit more movies. And now I can see that there's some miniature that is not appearing. So we can go back to the terminal and write some movie posters are missing. Fix it. Okay. And Claude starts working again to fix these problems. So see you in a while. And now it's all fixed. So the broken posters are now replaced. And if we go back to the website, we should see now, and we refresh the page, As you can see now, every movie posters is appearing. And okay, so now, for example, I want to implement a bit more stuff. And for example, I want to change the background and also add a filtering options. So we go back to the terminal and we write great. Now change the background of the website with a blurred mosaic of miniature movie posters and add a filtering option by genre and rating. Okay, and now let's wait what Claude does. And here we are back again on our TopCine website. And as you can see now, Claude implemented the blur black background with the movie posters, and there's the filtering options by year, rating, and over here by the genre. So now what I can do is, for example, changing the homepage that I don't really like. So we go back to the terminal and we write now change the home page, even just the title website. Okay. And now once again, Claude will start changing the website. So here we are again. If we refresh the page, as you can see now, there's the home page with just the name of the website. And basically we could go on forever and ever implementing and changing new things. And here we are in the WordPress dashboard, where Claude created a custom post type where it added all the movies of our website. And that's it. Our movie catalog is fully up and running, built entirely through plain language in Claude Code, with Novameira handling every interaction with WordPress underneath. We described what we wanted, Claude planned it, and Novameira gave it the full WordPress access it needed to make it happen. File operations, database reads, plugin checks, all of it through natural language. As I mentioned at the start, I ran everything on a staging environment, and in this case I used Claude Code for the video, but Novameira works with Claude Desktop too and with any MCP-compatible client, so you can connect whichever tool fits your workflow. There's a lot more to cover about Novameira and we'll get it in the next videos. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop a comment below and see you in the next one.